Hello everybody, this is Shrek here, and hello, that's it right, and Kermit the Frog, and this is Shrek, and this is my Lion. Alright, one, if you want to commentate, and two, not for time for this. Okay, so we gotta get everyone on this. Come on, let's go!
Are you serious? We're doing a VHS opening now? Look, I was in the middle of playing my latest game. Wait, you have a latest game? Just kidding with you guys. But anyways, I was in the middle of doing something. We have to do this now? But yes, because I want to, and you have not participated in a VHS or DVD opening for, let's say, a couple of months. So come on, let's do this. Fine, but this better be good. Alright, any more guests? Hey, look, it's me, Luigi, and, actually, has it been a while since we did VHS openings? Yeah, because most of the time we did DVD.
Wow, that's one of this. So, what the VHS opening we're gonna do today? Alright, so today we're going to do the VHS opening on Chicken Run. Now let's see. Very nice at the costume is surprised on time. It's never a surprise. Alright, I'm gonna open up on 3, 1, 2, 3. There you go. There you go. There you go. Wait. Hold on. What is? Oh my God. PVT? What? What is that? Is that really a sick joke? No, I swear. This is the PT, this is the Chicken Run. Okay, let's do this and Buzz Lightyear, do the others. Then we can hold the camera right here. Okay. Alright, let's see. This is gonna be a surprise. We are just listening for this camera. There's a custom tripod some here, but it is not really thing. But
Maximus is holding the camera as we speak, so that's why the camera's gonna be all shaky. And crap, what are you doing? Don't wreck the VHS! I can't get it in! You can't get it in? I can't get it in! It's easy! Literally doing that crap is easy. Oh, okay, now you got it in. People. You see, I've heard of Squidward before, and I'm not a big fan. No offense. Maybe I'm just a little bit annoyed.
Okay. All right. Thank you. You're welcome. All right. All right. Here we go. But it was very interesting to see it. Yep, there's the warning sign. Warning sign. Coming to Phidias. Look at all the DreamWorks.
For centuries, mothers and fathers have read these stories to the delight of children everywhere.
What?
But there is one
Shrek?
tale that has yet to be told.
What? Is that me? Is that me? Is that me? Oh, is that me? Oh, thank goodness. Oh, I love the hunting. There's Princess Fiona.
Beautiful princess.
Wake up. Yeah.
From a nasty villain. Run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
There's the gingerbread man.
With the help of his furry companion. You think that Shrek is the true man? Well, yes.
Whoa. Yes, it is a yes, say yes.
Myers, Eddie Murphy, Cameron Diaz, John Lithgow.
What kind of
What?
knight are you?
One of the kind.
Everybody needs a little Shrek.
Shrek. Wow. Rejected by Sydney. Oh my mother of God! It's
Shrek.
Link's shield from Ocarina of Time!
No, it's not. It's a lunch tray. I got it from a lunch tray.
Dude, it's better than a lunch tray. This is full-on Zelda Nintendo merchandise. You better not use it as a tray. This one is evenly in great, ultimate new condition. Put it down, man. Don't use it as a lunch tray for God's sakes, man. All right.
Oh, and my dad got it from Mitch.
Well, tell him that he is the best dad in the world, and he is a true fan of Nintendo. I can tell you that. Wow, I guess your father and you have a lot in common. Yes.
And we also
Cool. All right, so we got Luigi. Nice to meet you again. Nice to meet you, great brother. And now, final guest. And we all know that Squidward is going to be in this opening. But how about the meanest?
Meanest? This is not a meanest. But
Follow that trail. What trail? To take an incredible journey. It's the film Joel
BC. Oh wow. There's some codes. Okay, my name is Mario. But he was really serious. Now this is for this to trust him for all a ton of whoops on the card. To vary on the costuming and get the hedgehogs. But it is not going to cost him, and there's no heaven that doesn't have the hedgehogs.
rejected by some Mitch.
No!
That's pretty much it. Well, I like it.
Link. He's here. It's a sign. The shield.
From the film
From Ocarina of Time. It has the Triforce and everything.
series of classic
No, it's not. It's a triangle.
Oh, heck no. Put it down. Put it down. Don't you ever play with it.
Joseph, King of Dreams.
Wow.
Out of a dumpster. Started cool.
Look, that is not dumpster material. This is a full-on new condition sword. I mean, shield. How do you get this? Look, it's...
My dad got it from his speech.
Oh my God, he is my bro right here. Tell him I said thanks.
Okay.
Do you mean we? Yeah, I didn't mean like that. I'm sorry.
And his incredible gift.
Sorry. That's okay. But it's really something. But it's not gonna be. But also like you're the Starker, man. Units protection in unit. But Jenkins and the VHS for the Toy Story to make sure that I'm times. So yeah, guys. Is it a mistake? This is a mistake. This is my frog. This is my swamp. Right. No, that's not your swamp. It's my swamp. Shut up, Shrek. I named it for time. No, name. But there's not you so. Well, some place split it in some trays. Then I said, "You inspecting Prince Charming?" That's the Prince Charming? Yeah.
Ducky inspired. There's fun.
Everybody's got a little dark side to 'em. Everyone has got a little light.
And excitement.
Where are we? I'm not sure.
That kids
Oh, the
love
dinosaurs.
time again.
Dinosaurs.
Trust in your own imagination. You are a part of the creation of all that lies beyond.
Look for The Land Before Time 7.
Wow.
Search for the Stone of Cold Fire. Coming this holiday season.
There it is.
'Twas the
I think
night
say there he
before
is.
and all through the house, not a creature was stirring, except for a ghost.
Hey guys,
Just in time for the holidays, an all-new, fun-filled feature-length movie,
Hi,
Good,
Casper.
true.
hi Holly.
Casper's Haunted Christmas. Sure to warm your heart this holiday season.
What about us?
Casper and his ghostly gang have never looked better.
It's the ghostly trio.
Ghostly
Our
Trio.
heroes.
Created with state-of-the-art computer animation.
So,
and
but it's not gonna be get shown and turn and have it to me.
Lucas
Free.
What is the matter with you? It wasn't my idea, it was my...
Inside every
Look
video.
at me.
What a sweet deal.
Dang
Casper and
right.
his friends make
Well,
this
while we
experience
haven't done a
this
told
season.
you guys something in a while, so I thought now was the time to do it.
Thanks.
Well, you know what? I'm done.
Bring
That's
home
it.
Casper's
I'm done.
Haunted
I'm
Christmas
done.
from
I'm not gonna
Universal
do it.
Studios Home Video.
You guys are on your own. Thanks, man.
Get ready.
Pedal to the metal right now. Pedal to the metal. All right, let's go.
It's time to own one of the best family comedies of the year. Where we are with space. You can join Tim.
I'm a space. Woo! I'm floating. I'm swimming for the right here.
On their journey.
Raccoon, get back your seat. How about here to buckle up? Hey, you wanna go? We're watching that. Roger that.
Good family fun.
The whole thing was just a misunderstanding.
Galaxy Quest. Own it on video and DVD today.
Bustling and Mishawk. This is all in the DVDs. Okay, and that is it. Alright. So that has been the VHS opening on Chicken Run. I think it's like in a Shrek on the trailer, but this is like a DreamWorks. So it was pretty cool, right? Yeah, totally. Yeah, like this is totally.
But anyways, thank you for watching. Please don't forget, as always, to leave a like, leave a comment, better subscribe to both Lucas. Swear to God, man, do not make fun of another YouTuber again. You understand that?
Oh, make fun of another YouTuber.
Ah, come on, stop. I don't like this. You know what? That's it. You better sit down. You better shut up, or I will easily, this time, will actually, let's just say, squish your squid little head like it was an orange.
But my head isn't an orange.
I know. It's only a little figure of speech. How can you not know that?
What's a figure of speech?
Okay, you know what? That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you excuse me, I'm gonna go ahead and teach this dude how to be smart. And let's just
Why
say,
smart?
I'm gonna teach you a thing or two to not be, let's just say, annoying as heck